Ever feel like life is on repeat? Same mistakes, same disappointments. What if I told you that it's you pulling the strings, and you don't even know it? Your brain runs on old code. It's called cognitive bias. Patterns formed in childhood, trauma, failure. It's just familiar. If you want a new life, you need new patterns. You have to break your conditioning. But how do you break something you're not aware of? In my lifetime, I've seen technology go from this to this. Don't let the but stop you from doing something today. If you want to change your life, it starts with you. It starts with your conditioning. It starts with your habits. It starts with you being aware of what you're doing. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to show up to the starting line. When you do, I'll be waiting for you. The way we work is changing. The way we relate to each other is changing. The way we consume media is changing. The way we think we should think is changing. Now is the time to change your life. It's easy to look at all the changes happening around us and blame external factors for why we can't succeed. I can't find a job. It's because of the economy. I can't start a business. It's because of the competition. I can't find love. It's because of my past. Stop it. External factors are bullshit. They're distractions. They're coping mechanisms. They're ways to stay small. But you say, what about all those people who were hurt by the economy or affected by the pandemic or dealt with this or that? Here's the secret. Everyone has a but story. Everyone has a reason why they can't do something. Everyone has an excuse, but excuses don't pay the bills. Excuses don't put food on the table. Excuses don't get you out of bed in the morning. Excuses don't change your life. How do you change a pattern if you don't know you're in one? Step 1, get curious. Ask yourself, when did this start? Why do I do this? Step 2, become the scientist. You're gonna test this theory. You're gonna journal your decisions. You're gonna track your triggers. You're gonna watch for the signs. You're gonna be the first to spot it so you can stop it. You're gonna be the first to spot it so you can stop it before it starts. Every time you get close to something great, a relationship, opportunity, change, your mind panics. You take off. You're neck and neck with this other person. You're almost there. You can see the finish line, and then suddenly your legs turn to leave. You slow down. You lose the race. What if I told you that every single one of us is running our own race and we have the power to cross the finish line? We just don't know it. Most of us have never been taught how to win. We've been taught how to follow orders. We've been taught how to sit still. We've been taught how to fit in. We've been taught how to play small. But guess what? No one's coming to save us. No one's gonna hand us our dreams. And here's the truth. If no one else is going to hand us our dreams, we have to take it upon ourselves to take our own damn dreams. It says, this feels unfamiliar. Run. So most people run. They self-sabotage. They ghost opportunities. How many good things have you walked away from just because it didn't feel right? Just because it was too good to be true. Don't lie. You know you've done it. You're not broken. You're conditioned. And here's the key. What feels safe isn't always right. Bridge, imagine running your own race and you don't know it. You show up to the starting line. The gun goes off. The world is changing. It's changing faster than it ever has before. We all have the ability to choose to do something about it. Don't miss the next video. Why your comfort zone is quietly destroying your potential.